Alright, we're here on this Goodman Furnace. The hot surface igniter is bad. I just got back from getting it apart, and so now we're going to change it out. Get you guys in here close so you can see what's going on. Screw loose. I tell you, you gotta have small hands to work on stuff like this. I don't have small hands. Find that screw it dropped. Gonna go around back behind the pipe and through the wires and hit the hole and not to mention straddle work off of a piece of 2x4. Got it. In there. See, I wasn't kidding about having to work off of 2x4. That's all I've got to work on. You can reach in there. Whew. All right, ready to fire this thing off, see if it works. Carbon monoxide test down below here in just a minute. Okay, this video wasn't all that long. I just wanted to show you some of the tight spaces that we get into. Wasn't that hard of a task to figure out what was going on. It just was kind of difficult being in the cramped space, kneeling on a 2x4 and stretching out over open attic area to work on a furnace. Made it a little difficult. Got it done. As you can see, we fired it off. Everything seemed to be fine. No flame rolled out. Flames were good and blue. Went ahead and did a carbon monoxide test in the house, and it came back with 0 parts per million on the reading. So what I would like for you to do is go down below, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about the videos, if you have any questions. Also give me a thumbs up, a like, and go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. Thank you for watching.